What up, YouTube? You know what it is. You know who it is. When I get 400 horses, I'ma do this. I'ma do that. I'ma do this. When I do this, look at all this heat up here. You got. All right. If you didn't know, now you know.
Right. 1, 2, 3. Wang, I'm gonna go. Give me your beat.
Marrow Gang, thank y'all for tuning in. If you didn't know, now you know. What up, YouTube? You know what it is, you know who it is. It's the Ginger 31 to be exact. If you didn't know, now you know. It's been a while since I've been on here. I got a few videos going on. I finally got myself a Dragy, so I've been fucking around with that, and that's what this video is gonna be about. Last video was about me and my cousin riding off in the whip or whatever. You know, and I pinned him to the seat because he wasn't ready for that, you dig? So, with no further ado, we got some big plans coming up this year. You know what I'm saying? I plan on hitting the track. I got me a Dragy. I got me a new GoPro, but I'm taping on the phone right now, right? So look, check this out. Tires is straight up rectum sauce. Like these tires suck real bad, but it's all good. I got some Toyos or whatever. They do the job, but it ain't good enough, you know? Like, man, I'm spinning like hell. I've been spinning with a lot of people. I've been getting in some road racing and stuff like that in Mexico, and I've been spinning. I mean, spinning. I'm not really warming the tires. I ain't doing none of that. I just go out there to do a couple pulls and then just put it up. Like, I don't feel like burning my tires up like that. Alright, y'all, thank y'all for tuning in. How y'all like the Dragy video, man? I know them times suck and whatnot. I actually did better than that last year, but hey, man, it's been a while. You know, I've been doing a lot of road racing and not, you know, now I gotta figure out how to launch again, get my launch down pack, and then we're gonna get it on. I'm gonna hit this track sometime this year, even if it's gonna be way in July, Velt boy, shit. Either way, I'm gonna hit that track. You know what I'm saying? But we getting ready for it. Also, gotta put my louvers back on. I end up taking them louvers off because they was coming off. My double-sided tape was kind of getting like bull crap, so I had to fix that too. But anyway, thank y'all for tuning in. It's the Ginger 31 to be exact. And don't watch TV, keep on watching me, because I'm gonna keep on going up and I'm gonna keep on booming. Y'all know what it is, y'all know what it does, and we out of here, you dig?